We have already seen the general rules of voice, how to change active voice into passive voice. Now we are going to start the voice of tenses. So let us start with simple present. I have taken an example here. I eat a mango. In this example, I is subject, it is verb, and a mango is object. The first rule is change the position of subject and object. Here the object is a mango, and that's why we put the a mango in the place of subject. Here a mango is now subject. Then since a mango is singular and it is in present tense, that's why I have used each. The rule, according to rule, we have to write the V3 here in passive voice. So the V3 of it is eaten, and next rule is change the case. So I will change into me, and the other rule is that put by before objective case. So we have put here by before me. So what happened? I eat a mango का change होकर क्या हो गया? A mango is eaten by me. Next example is Sita writes a story. A story is written by Sita. A story is written by Sita. Now, present continuous tense. Here there is a special rule. In case of continuous tense, whether it is present continuous or it is past continuous or future continuous, in case of continuous tense, there is a special rule. SR. Use being before V3. यानी V3 के पहले क्या लगाना है? Being लगाना है. So take an example. जैसे I am eating a mango. Now change the position of subject and object. A mango singular है इसीलिए is. उसके बाद क्या लगाना है? Being. A mango is being eaten V3 eaten by me. A mango is being eaten by me. Now the next example, the principal is watching the match. The principal is watching the match. Watching the match. Now, what will happen here? Change the position of subject and object. The match is. Now put being V3 watched. Now by the principal. Very simple. Now present perfect. There is a special rule in case of perfect tense, whether it is in present perfect or past perfect or in future perfect. What is the special rule? Use been before V3. V3 के पहले been लगेगा. B-double-E-N. Take an example. I have eaten a mango. Change the position of subject and object. A mango will come here. A mango. Now has for mango. Has. Then put been and V3 will be eaten by me. Next example. Tom has painted the door. Change the position of subject and object. The door will come here. The door. Helping verb has. Now put been and then V3 will be painted and by and then Tom. The door has been painted by Tom. Now start past tense and first simple past. Take an example. I ate a mango. What we have to do? Change the position of subject and object. A mango. Since it is in past tense and singular form, that's why was V3 eaten. Then change the case I into me, before me by. That's why I ate a mango will change into a mango was eaten by me. Take another example. Tom killed the snake. The snake was killed by Tom. Now come to past continuous. Past continuous. Past continuous. Then take an example. I was eating a mango. I was eating a mango. Change the position of subject and object. A mango was, and I have already mentioned the special rule of continuous tense that put being before V3. So use being, B-E-I-N-G, being. A mango was being eaten by me. Now, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Take an example. I had eaten a mango. I had eaten a mango. Change the position of subject and object. A mango had, and I have already explained earlier that in case of perfect tense we have to put been before V3. So put been. A mango had been eaten, V3, eaten by me. Take another example. Ram has taken the books. Ram had taken the books. Change the position of subject and object. The books had been taken by Ram.